Hey guys, this is Kailash. I'm back again with another video of this ES6 series, and today we are going to discuss about the arrow function. Okay, in this video particularly I'm going to be describing the syntax of the arrow function. In the next video I will going to be describing the difference between the classical way of defining function and the arrow function. Okay, so let's understand the syntax of the arrow function. So let's take an example of traditional function, how we define the traditional function. Let's take an example of square function. I'm defining a square function, and you know that how traditionally function is defined. Get an argument here, return the square of this params, a star a. Okay, so just console out the function result. That's part 7 and C. Yes, we got 749, the square of 7. Okay, so this is how the traditionally function is defined. So how the arrow function is defined, just omit this function keyword and put a fat arrow here, and here we go. This is the arrow function, and it works fine. Okay, so this is how the arrow function is defined, and the philosophy behind this arrow function is that this argument getting us this result. Okay, this argument getting us this result. Okay, so there are some more syntactical features over this arrow function. Let's understand those also one by one. If there is only one parameter passed here, we can omit the parenthesis. Okay, we can write it like this, and it works fine. Okay, if there is one statement inside the function body, we can omit the curly braces and the return state. Okay, and this will also work fine. Okay, it means that this argument getting us the result of this expression. Okay, what there is another case. What if just have a string so that it can work in case of there is no argument. What about if there is no argument passed? In this case we cannot omit the parenthesis. We have to write the two parentheses, and let's see, this works fine. Okay, we have returned the string. Okay, there is another way of defining the function arrow function. In case there is no argument passed, we can omit the parenthesis and write the curly braces here, and see, this works perfectly. Okay, so this is all about the arrow function, and I hope that guys you like this video, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.